Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to send an instant photo to a friend on Snapchat using the latest updated steps. It's super easy and only takes a few seconds once you know where everything is. First, open your Snapchat app. As soon as you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account and access your friend list. Next, tap on My Friends. This section shows everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the friend you want to send a photo to. Once you've found the right person, tap on their name. This will open up your chat with them. Now, at the bottom of the chat screen, you'll see a camera icon. Tap on that camera icon to instantly switch to the camera within the chat. Now you're ready to capture the moment. Take your picture just like you normally would on Snapchat. You can add filters, text, or stickers if you want to make it more fun and personal. When you're happy with your photo, simply tap the send button and it will be delivered instantly to your friend.